Hello and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'll be showing you around this lovely T-Cross R-Line we've currently got for sale, finished in pure white. It features the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 110 PS with a 7-speed DSG automatic gearbox. You'll have peace of mind motoring of this vehicle as well with a full Volkswagen service history. And starting off at the front of the vehicle, you've got those LED headlamps providing fantastic vision in all conditions. Down the side of the car goes lovely 18-inch Nevada alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly, with power folding and heated wing mirrors, and privacy glass from the B-pillar backwards as well. There's also a generous amount of boot space available with split folding seats and an adjustable boot floor which is currently in its lowest setting. Moving inside, a signature R-Line upholstery with a park cloth, leather and Alcantara seats. There's also a couple of USB ports in the back for rear passengers. Moving to the front is a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel and also a centre armrest to keep you nice and comfortable. Just behind the wheel you got that full digital display, housing all your vital driving information, including assistance systems on board such as lane assist. Alongside digital radio and your Bluetooth connectivity, you've also got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto on board, allowing you to mirror apps from your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. You've also got the latest safety systems on board to keep you and the family safe on the road at all times, including blind spot monitoring and much more. There's also front and rear parking sensors to help with parking. And a little bit further down the cabin you've got dual zone climate control, which is nice and easy to adjust, with a little bit of storage below and a couple more USB ports. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this vehicle or you'd like to arrange a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today or visit the link in the description.